Here's how to fix Wi-Fi missing from settings. First, open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and open it. Make sure View By is set to Large Icons. Then, select Internet Options from here. Here, go to the Advanced tab and click Restore Advanced Settings. Once that's done, click Apply and then OK. Close this window. Next, open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. Select Network and Internet from left side, then scroll down and open Advanced Network Settings. Here, look for and select Network Reset, and click Reset. Confirm the reset when prompted, then restart your computer. Once your computer has restarted, check whether the Wi-Fi option is available again. If the problem is still there, open the Start menu, search for Services, and open it. Scroll down and find WLAN Auto Config. Double-click it and make sure the startup type is set to Automatic. Also, check that the service status is running. If it isn't running, click Start, then select Apply and OK. If it's already running, right-click the service and select Restart. Next, find WWAN Autoconfig and repeat the same steps. Set the startup type to Automatic. Make sure the service is running, and then click Apply and OK. If it's already running, right-click it and select Restart. Now, close this window. After that, open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. From these options, select Network and Sharing Center. Then, click Change Adapter Settings. Here, find your Wi-Fi adapter in the list. If it's disabled, right-click it and select Disable. Then, right-click it again and select Enable. Wait for it to be enabled again. Now, open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and open it. Here, expand Network Adapters and locate your Wi-Fi adapter. The name may be different depending on your computer, but it should include Wi-Fi in the name. Right-click the adapter, select Update Driver, choose Browse, My Computer for Drivers, and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the available driver and click Next to install it. Once the driver has been installed, right-click the Wi-Fi adapter again and select Properties. Here, go to the Power Management tab and uncheck. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Then click OK and check whether your Wi-Fi is working again. If the issue continues, open the Start menu again, search for Run, and open it. Inside this, type msconfig and press Enter. Here, under the General tab, make sure Normal Startup is selected. Then go to the Services tab, and then click Disable All, and then click Enable All. Select Apply and OK. Then restart your computer. If your Wi-Fi is still missing after restarting, you can try a soft reset. To do this, shut down your computer and hold the power button for around 30 seconds. Keep holding it even after the screen turns off. This can help drain any remaining electrical power from the laptop. After 30 seconds, release the power button, turn your computer back on, and check whether the Wi-Fi option has returned. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.